Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.25 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1.25 and $85.659. The earlier day close $6 and 27. The change was 0.32, 197%. Reverse rate US to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for July 2024. Initially cost at 4,762 coins. Excessive cost 4,762, while low 3,846. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,384. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 4,167. Change for July 12.5%. US to Doge expectation for August 2024. At the outset cost at 4,167 coins. Excessive cost 5,000, while low 4,167. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,524. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,762. Change for August 14.3%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for September 2024. At the outset cost at 4,762 coins. Excessive cost 4,762, while low 4,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,468. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,3048. Change for September 8.7%. US to Doge expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at 4,348 coins. Excessive cost 4,348, while low 3,448. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,962. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 3,704. Change for October 14.8%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for November 2024. To start with cost at 3,704 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 3,125. Found the middle value of cost 3,467. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,333. Change for November 10%. US to Doge expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 3,333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,571, while low 3,125. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,341. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,333. Change for December 0%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for January 2025. Initially cost at 3,333 coins. Excessive cost 3,448, while low 3,030. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,259. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,226. Change for January 3.2%. US to Doge expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at 3,226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,226, while low 2,564. Found the middle value of cost 2,949. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,778. Change for February 13.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 2,778 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,841, while low 2,500. Found the middle value of cost 2,731. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,703. Change for spring 2.7%. US to Doge expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at 2,703 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,439. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,658. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 2,632. Change for April 2.6%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for May 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,632 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,381. Found the middle value of cost 2,589. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,564. Change for May 2.6%. US to Doge expectation for June 2025. First and foremost cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,778, while low 2,381. Found the middle value of cost 2,572. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,564. Change for June 0%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for July 2025. In the first place cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,703, while low 2,326. Found the middle value of cost 2,523. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,500. Change for July 2.5%. US to Doge expectation for August 2025. At the outset cost at 2,500 coins. Excessive cost 2,500, while low 2,041. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,304. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,174. Change for August 13%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for September 2025. At the outset cost at 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,778, while low 2,174. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,423. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,564. Change for September 17.9%. US to Doge expectation for October 2025. Before all else cost at 2,564 coins. Excessive cost 3,226, while low 2,564. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,1846. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 3,030. Change for October 18.2%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for November 2025. First and foremost cost at 3,030 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,030, while low 2,439. They found the middle value of cost 2,783. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 2,632. Change for November 13.1%. US to Doge expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at 2,632 coins. Excessive cost 2,857, while low 2,439. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,640. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 2,632. Change for December 0%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for January 2026. At the outset cost at 2,632 coins. Excessive cost 3,125, while low 2,632. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,833. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,941. Change for January 11.7%. US to Doge expectation for February 2026. To start with cost at 2.41 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,030, while low 2,703. They found the middle value of cost 2,883. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 2,857. Change for February 2.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for Walk 2026. To start with cost at 2,857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 2,857. They found the middle value of cost 3,217. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 3,4048. Change for spring 27%. US to Doge expectation for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 3,448 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,5045, while low 3,448. They found the middle value of cost 3,902. The US to Doge estimate toward the month